I recently attended Dell Technologies World 2023 in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center. I was struck by the energy of the crowds, the key technology trends, particularly multi-cloud computing, emphasis on generative AI that has been everywhere in the last 4 to 6 months, and just challenges facing all businesses and the very cool solutions arising to help businesses meet them. We've done a lot of work for Dell. We've had that privilege and opportunity. A lot of the products that were on offer there, we have done testing for, and it was great to see that work. What was more exciting was to see that what is coming down the pike to us, the products and solutions that Dell is pushing, are going to be more complicated, require different thinking of testing. They're going to have to focus on things like a multi-cloud future. They're going to have to focus on orchestration software spanning on-prem to multiple clouds. They're going to have to focus on more complex solutions to more complex problems. PT's role there is to continue to do what we do, to address more complicated offerings, and to do an ever better job of explaining not just the results of the tests, but why they matter, what they mean. And that means all of that is going to require more complexity to decipher in terms of the benefits to buyers. That poses an opportunity for us to step up our game, and that is exciting. And I'm looking forward to us doing that.